Hi there, my name's Brian and this is The Boy in the Train by Mary Campbell Smith. What way does the engine say toot toot as it feared to gang in the tunnel? Why is the furnace no put out when the rain gangs down the funnel? What'll I hae for my tea the night? A herring or maybe a haddie? Has Grandma got an electric light? Is the next stop Kirkcaldy? There's a hoodie craw on yon turnip raw, and seagull sacks are seething. I'll no fall to the windy maw, it's sneak it as sure as I'm leaving. We're into the tunnel, we're on the dark, but didn't be fricked at, Daddy. We'll soon be coming to Beveridge Park, and the next stop's Kirkcaldy. Is yon the moon I see in the sky? It's awful wee and curly. See, there's a coo and a calf out by, and a lassie pooing a hurley. He's chucking the tickets and giving them back. Say, give me my onion, Daddy. Lift down the bag for the luggage rack, for the next stop's Kirkcaldy. There's guy ween boats in the harbour mooing. Aye, do you see the cruisers? The cinnamon drop I was sucking now is tumult and stuck to my trousers. I'll soon be ringing my grandma's bell. She'll cry, come bed, my laddie. For I ken mysel by the queer like smell that the next stop's Kirkcaldy.